For 40 years, we've been told a lie. We've been told that the burger is the enemy, that it is a symbol of American gluttony, heart disease, and metabolic failure. But what if I told you the burger isn't the problem? The ingredients are. The truth is, a burger made correctly with the right beef and the right fat is one of the most nutrient-dense meals on the planet. I'm going to show you the hidden health inside the fast food industry. We audited the top chains in America, looking for the ones that ditched the toxic seed oils and factory farming. We found 5 chains that are changing the game. From avocado oil fryers to regenerative beef. These are the only 5 burger chains where you can eat guilt-free. Before we reveal the list, you need to know how we judge them. Most channels look at calories. We look at the ingredients. First, the lipid audit. 99% of chains fry in soybean or canola oil. When heated, these release toxic aldehydes. If a chain uses them, they are banned from this list. We are looking for tallow, olive oil, or avocado oil. Second, the source. Grain-fed beef is inflammatory. We are hunting for grass-fed and finished beef that restores your body rather than wrecking it. And third, the bun factor. Can you eat this without spiking your blood sugar into the stratosphere? Let's start the countdown with number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the West Coast favorite, Burger Lounge. They made the list because they successfully scaled grass-fed beef to the masses. No hormones, no antibiotics, ever. But the real story here is the fries. Most chains soak their fries in soy. Burger Lounge uses rice bran oil. Now, is it perfect? No, it's still a grain oil. But it has a massive smoke point of 490 degrees. Meaning it doesn't turn toxic in the fryer like soybean oil does. It is the perfect harm reduction compromise. If you go here, you have to order the Paleo protocol. The order, grass-fed beef burger. The mod, Paleo style, which is a lettuce wrap. The secret, ask them to dry grill the patty. Why? Because they sometimes use a soy-based spray on the grill. Ask for it dry to keep it clean. A solid start, but we can do better. Number 4 takes us to San Francisco, Rome Artisan Burgers. They make the list because they realized something important. Cows aren't the only option. Rome offers a nutrient trifecta: pasture-raised beef, bison, and elk. Why does this matter? Elk and bison are naturally leaner and barely touched by the industrial food system. It is almost impossible to factory farm an elk. Like our number 5 spot, they fry in rice bran oil, which is good. But they recycle that oil into biofuel, which means they change it often. Fresh oil equals less inflammation. Here's your hunter-gatherer order. For the protein, the elk burger. For the side, the zucchini haystacks. And a warning, avoid the veggie burger. It's cooked in the same fryer as the fries. So if you have severe allergies, stick to the salad. Now we enter the top 3. This is where things get serious. This is Grass Burger. They were founded by parents of children with severe allergies, so they don't mess around. But the reason they are number 3 isn't the meat. It's the oil. Grass Burger is one of the only chains in America that fills their fryers with 100% pure avocado oil. This is the green light, holy grail. Avocado oil handles heat better than almost anything else. It doesn't oxidize. It protects your cells. However, our investigation found one watch out while they fry in avocado oil. The potatoes themselves are par-fried at the factory in sunflower or canola oil. It's a tiny amount, but it's there. The move here is the Southwest anti-inflammatory. The order, the Grass Burger. The bun, their gluten-free bun is actually made with olive oil, not junk. The topping, guacamole. Get those healthy fats. Number 2 is the organic giant, Elevation Burger. Many places say natural. Elevation says USDA certified organic. That means the cows didn't just eat grass. The grass wasn't sprayed with glyphosate or pesticides. That is a massive difference for your toxic load. But here's the engineering miracle. They fry in olive oil. Do you know how hard that is? Olive oil usually burns at high heat. They developed a proprietary process to make it work. When you eat these fries, you are getting the polyphenols of the Mediterranean diet. People love In-N-Out. But In-N-Out fries in sunflower oil. Elevation fries in olive oil. From a metabolic standpoint, it's not even a contest. Go for the Vertigo stack. The order, 2 or 3 organic patties. The wrap, lettuce wrap. The side, those olive oil fries. The warning, Stay away from the veggie burgers here. They are loaded with soy protein isolate. Stick to the beef. And finally, the #1 healthiest burger chain in the United States. This isn't just a restaurant, it's a revolution. Wild Pastures Burger Company in Boulder, Colorado. They check every single box. 1. The beef is 100% grass-finished and regenerative. That means these cows actually improved the soil they lived on. 2. Zero sugar. Their sodas and shakes are sweetened with fruit, not corn syrup. 3. The fries. They don't use seed oils. They don't use fruit oils. They use 100% grass-fed beef tallow. This is how we cooked fries 50 years ago. It's stable, it's distinct, and it's metabolically synergistic with your body. This is the regenerative reset. The order: double burger with bacon jam. The side: large tallow fries. The drink: a chocolate shake. The macros: over 50 grams of protein, 0 refined sugar, 0 seed oils. This is the perfect meal. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't live in Boulder. The industry is listening. Steak 'n Shake recently announced they are switching back to tallow fries. Buffalo Wild Wings uses tallow too. The tide is turning. The bottom line is this: you don't have to fear food. You just have to filter it. Avoid the soy, seek the grass-fed, and you can enjoy the ultimate American meal every single week. And hey, if you have any favorite orders or tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. Eat smart. Live long. I'll see you in the next one.